What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about Lucid Group Incorporated. Once again, that's Lucid Group Incorporated with a ticker symbol LCID. Guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about the recent articles regarding Lucid Group Incorporated and also the effectiveness of the current share offering that I have posted in my previous video. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So guys, Lucid Group Incorporated, by the time of this recording, closed at a price of $20.26. It's up 3.37% during the trading hours, and it's trading a little bit in the after hours with 0.10% at the price of $20.28. Now guys, if we go to Market Beat, this specific security has a 5-day performance of 6.03%, a 1-month performance of negative 23.96%, and a 3-month performance of negative 30.42%. Now guys, according to analysts, this has a buy based on 8 analysts. So according to 5 analysts, okay, it has a rating of buy and a hold for 2 and 1 for sell. Now, if you go to their institutional ownership, according to Fintel.io, you can clearly see here, guys, that some financial institutions are actually reducing their positions, and some has even, one financial institution has even closed entirely their position with Lucid Group Incorporated, but most of them, take note, is increasing their position, and that with Lucid Group Incorporated, and that should be indicated here in the white parts of this chart. Okay, so all those white parts in this table means that they have increased their position. The green ones are the new position, and the red ones meaning that they completely tapped out of this position. So guys, first article here is can Lucid stock make a strong comeback from tip ranks? That was actually written yesterday. It says here that it's been a volatile journey for Lucid Group Incorporated since the SPAC business combination was announced. A big surge above $60 in February 2021 was soon followed by a correction below the $20. So everybody knows this, guys. So there's a huge during the SPAC announcement. Okay, so the price action went as high as $60, but after some consolidation, Lucid stock surged again above 50, with the company announcing the commencement of vehicle deliveries. Investors, however, again resorted to profit booking, and the stock currently trades at around $20. So can Lucid make a strong comeback? It says here, I believe that the stock is already oversold, in oversold territory. Broad market sentiments make me cautiously optimistic. Lucid stock appears to be worth accumulating in the $15 to $20 range. So this from the author himself. Reasons for the recent correction. Before talking about the medium to long-term positive catalysts, let's discuss the reasons that triggered the sell-off this year. The first reason is related to the industry. Near-term challenges, including chip shortages and raw material price inflation, have impacted the stock. So he's saying here that even Tesla's stock has corrected negative 14% since the start of the year. Also, it's worth noting that with multiple rate hikes due 2022, growth stocks have witnessed a sharp correction. So guys, we all know that, especially today, that we have just taken up 50 basis points from the Feds. Another reason for a sharp correction is relatively weak production guidance for 2022. For the year, the company expects Lucid Air production in the range of 12,000 to 14,000 vehicles. On a brighter note, Lucid announced that over 25,000 vehicles has been reserved by customers as of February 28, 2022. This implies a revenue backlog of $2.4 billion. However, it remains to be seen if Lucid can ramp up production in 2023. So guys, my next part of this video will come out of these. Coming back to concerns, Lucid guided on July 2021 that the company would deliver 20,000 vehicles in 2022. However, the production forecast for the year indicates that vehicle deliveries will fall short of estimates, and that would be true. And guys, once again, we will see that in the earnings on May 5th. Lucid has also guided that the company would report negative free cash flow of $7.6 billion between 2022 and 2024. However, it's clear that the cash burn might sustain beyond 2024 as growth estimates fall short of initial expectations. The key point here is that Lucid will need to dilute equity in the next few years. The dilution can be opportunistic depending on the stock price. However, that's one risk factor that investors need to consider. On the positive side, the markets will not react sharply to dilution if production and delivery growth is robust. Once near-term industry headwinds are navigated, Lucid might surprise given the technological and innovation edge. Okay, so we all know that Lucid guys have the technology, they have the factory, and they have the innovation, but of course production is still a question if they can meet the production challenges that it is facing right now. Now guys, I have mentioned this in my past video. It says here the notice of effectiveness. So if we click on this is the SEC filing that was actually released yesterday. So if you click on this is the CIK number 001811210. So the file number is 332588348. So guys, that is there. Okay, if we click on that, so I have pulled that out a while ago. Here you go, registration number 333258348, and this is the share offering. So normally guys, they don't normally label it S3. So if we go down here, they will just name it as a 424B3 prospectus. Okay, so normally companies they are now smarter. Okay, so companies doesn't want to tell investors, other people directly, that it is an S3 filing, which is a dilution. Okay, but if we go to their current filings, they have a notice of effectiveness, and that is effective yesterday. Okay, so not a lot of people know this, and that's the main purpose of this channel, so that everybody is informed of what is happening with the stock that they're buying. Okay, so if you are planning to actually entering a trade or a position with this specific security, although Lucid is a good investment, a good future investment, and if you want to invest in it, you want to invest in it now. Okay, so there's a lot of dilution that's gonna be upcoming with this specific security, ladies and gentlemen. So if we click on this would come up with up to 85,750,000 shares, and that's for the Class A. Okay, and up to a total of 1,336,329,949 Class A common stock. So that includes around 44 million warrants. Okay, so this is like a mix offering. Okay, stuff like that. So you guys, if you want to check on this, you can go to the SEC website and see it for yourself. Like I said, this is another share offering, okay, that is offered by Lucid. Of course, they need to raise capital because they are of operations that the current operations that they have regarding production. Of course, they're regarding the salary. Okay, so they need to raise the capital, and if you want to invest, okay, then that's the potential risks of investing in the company. But of course, you have to look at the company in the next 5 years or 10 years. Okay, so like I said, in the next 5 years, so knows this could be a potential gold mine. I myself, right, is Lucid investor. With the technical analysis with Lucid stock, as you can see guys, if historically speaking, if we come across the around $18 to $19, we would potentially bounce. So this is nothing new. Okay, so as I've mentioned in my past Lucid videos, as you can see, it is true that at around $19 or $18 we would potentially bounce, and that is actually a demand zone for this stock. And since not a lot of people, not a lot of investors know about the S3 filing, I think as soon as they realize that, the stock might fall down a little bit. But okay, on the contrary, you can also see here in the daily time frame with their MACD that it's starting to curl up, meaning that we might have a potential price action, a good price action in the future. That is just my reading with the MACD. But if you go to your RSI, we still have a lot of room to the upside. Now if you go to your 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see here guys that we have some positive price action at around this area, $20.26. But there is our next resistance for this stock is around $21.40. If we get past that, then we have a potential fight against the next resistance of $23.50, and this price is nothing new to us, so we've been there a lot of times. Okay, so just in case you guys want to know, okay, we have a volume today of around 20.34 million. Our average volume, it used to be 24.68 million. So if we want to see a good price action, of course we want to see volume start piling in the stock. Okay guys, once again, if you like the information and analysis I have provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.